will be here, the code itself will be here for you to try, and then you see the output. We'll see all that in a moment. Google Colab is similar to Notebook, but it's in the cloud. So remember cloud computing. Now you can run your code online. If you don't have a system, no problem. If your code can take it, you can run, you can start your learning from your phone before you get your system. Spider is another environment for typing code, PyCharm, VS Code, App Studio for those that want to learn the hard language. Now you also need, if you are tilting towards the spatial part, you will need the spatial libraries. What are libraries? Collection of code that have been written. All you need to do is to know how to use it. And not built from scratch. Somebody has paid the price, so do enjoy the freedom. Okay. So you see Fiona, Shapely, Joe Pandas, Rasterio, PostGIS, and the likes. Now, because of cloud computing, you may also need some web mapping library because you are in surveying. You want to display maps on the web. Like students from my department, they do. When you come proposing, what do you call it? Give me an example of postcode. Street guide map, filling station, tourist point, tourist attraction points and all that. Ask you, emergency response system for social state. And I ask you, if emergency happens in that state, you then run back to the department to look for your project, open and start running the fair. No. If it's online, you are doing something for tourism. How will they access it? It should be web-based. So people can access it. So we have to move from just creating desktop to creating web map. Let me give you an example. Imagine after this workshop, we write a proposal to a retail company that is proposed, let's assume pure water. Now, they have retailers all over that they distribute to. But I can bet you, they don't know the optimal route to ensure they minimize their travel time. One is expensive. So you can just take this device. Every customer, you go to his place, just press this thing. Now. You take the coordinates. You go to the left. When you finish covering the entire retailers they have, first you just plot on the map, you see the distribution. By the time you do your route analysis, optimization, and all that, salesman program, you will know that this person is supposed to go from this customer, go to this one first, go to this, and that will give you the minimum distance covered. Now, these are part of the services we should be providing. For such a company, you have not come and done 400 jobs. We have provided a special solution, minimizing cost. Additionally, if they decide to sack that driver, there are cases where they don't even sack some driver because they know that he's the only one that knows where their retailers are. So they can simply bring somebody to join you as a helper to know the place. But if you have collected the coordinates, anybody can drive that car and deliver your goods. So these are the areas you have to start thinking. If you go to countries where all their land has been surveyed, what will you do if you are still a land surveyor? You become a landlord. Oh. So we need to move from desktop-based mapping to web mapping. Parking spaces in the university. People do a map for parking spaces. So during convocation, people know these are reserved, these are staff only. Sometimes you will drive only to go there and then you see not for visitors. It's annoying. These are things you can start thinking. So you have a parking, what do you call it? Map for parking spaces. Now you can integrate IoT, get a sensor that will be counting how many vehicles based on the number of cars. Once it's exhausted, you see a red light for that parking lot. Can you see the integration? A device that will count at the parking lot, okay, one car, you do the number of parking spaces. Once the number is equal to the number of this place is red. On the web, that place is no longer available. And this is a basic concept that you integrate with this technology. So, let's look at some case studies. Now, the names are very important. Imagine you are using anaconda and spider to write Python. Yes. I don't know why they chose this names, but you are safe with this one. So anaconda is a platform that gives you access to the basic tools to start with in this area of machine learning and AI. So once you install it, and it's free, okay, so you can take it when you have an anaconda. Just check anaconda. When you search for anaconda, you know the one you're searching for, right? The IT part. So once you download and install it, it will come with some Polycom tools that you can use to start, including the digital notebook. The spider itself will be installed automatically, and you can use that to start your learning process. Now, this is automating with ArcGIS notebook using GIS and digital for automation. Let's see this briefly. This is showing you your ArcGIS Pro, how they have moved to integrating this machine learning and AI into your ArcGIS. This is still your ArcGIS, just to remind you, it's not a movie. But they don't know the mapping part.